Well, COVID has certainly changed the way we are going to celebrate Christmas, but it is definitely not going to cancel it. This year, Greenland has so many different things that you can add not only to your own home, but even more importantly, share with some of your loved ones so that you can show them how much you're missing them by adding color, scent, and all the beautiful accents of Christmas into their home. So today I'm going to show you a few different things that we have that have been very popular. First of all, it's our fresh centerpieces. This is just one design of many. We show many on our website at greenlandgarden.store. And this one we've done on an old piece of wood. We've put the fresh greens in there, added some little accents. This little guy certainly would make someone smile. This is put into fresh foam, so it'll last several weeks in the home, as well as all of our other centerpieces are made fresh upon order. So long lasting, but a great little treat to have over the Christmas season. Another way that you can add a lot of color and scent into your home is by purchasing some of our container plants. What we've done is we've taken house plants and tropicals, poinsettias, etc. In this case, we've used an azalea. This azalea will be actually in full blossom within the next couple of weeks. We've tucked in some Christmas evergreens. We've added a little bit of a gazing globe and some Christmas berries. The nice thing about these is that because they're planted into a container, they will last a very long time and certainly make your home or someone's special home a lot more festive. Our sweet little gnomes. These culinary gnomes actually have so many benefits. Not only do they just make you smile, but if you touch them and you rub your hands against them, the scent of it is like going into a Christmas forest. Rosemary is beautifully scented, and you can also cook with it. Just put these by a kitchen window, water them regularly, not overwater, let them drain well, and you can enjoy them certainly for quite a while. But what a nice way to add some smile onto someone's Christmas season. And one other final thing is our Christmas wreaths. Again, Greenland creates so many of our own wreaths, and they're very unique. These are the very trend-setting ones with the copper wire. The nice thing about the copper is that we can remove all the greens after Christmas and then create something else, and we're probably going to be doing some classes on these because they've been so popular. And it's just fresh greens that you can use indoors or out. Indoors you'd want to be misting it. Outdoors they'll be fine over the Christmas season, but what a wonderful trend setting. We're finding that the millennials are absolutely loving these and a great gift idea. We do have a lot of other fresh wreaths ideas available in Greenland too. But we do want to encourage you to not only look at this for yourself, because we want to make our homes happy over Christmas, but to give them to someone special and extend greetings to them via Greenland. Thanks for watching, and have a very safe and Merry Christmas.